Hello everyone, my name is Pragya and today I'll be presenting my report titled Predicting Airbnb Rental Pricing Using Machine Learning. Airbnb has completely transformed the way people travel and book short term stays. However, one of the biggest challenges that hosts face is deciding how much to charge per night. Either they set the price too high and guests might choose a competitor, or they set it too low and you choose potential revenue. So, in this project, I wanted to explore whether data analytics and machine learning could help predicting rental prices and more accurately and identify what factor most strongly influence those prices. The main problem I aimed is to solve is which factor have the greatest impact on the Airbnb rental prices and how accurately can we predict them. The answer this To answer this, I use a combination of exploratory data analysis, regression techniques, and machine learning models. The end goal is not only to predict price, but also to provide insight that can help Airbnb host make smarter pricing decision. For this analysis, I used the Airbnb listing dataset available on Kaggle. This dataset includes thousands of listings across major cities and provides a mix of numerical, categorical, and text-based features, such as numerical like bedroom, bathroom, minimum nights, number of reviews, and prices. Categorical, property type, room type, neighborhood, and text like amenity and host descriptions. I begin with data cleaning, where I remove duplicates filed in missing values using median imputation and filtered out extreme outliers, especially those with price above $1,000 per night. This gave me a clean, structured data set ready for analysis and modeling. Exploratory data analysis. Next, I performed exploratory data analysis to understand the relationship and patterns in the data. Here, what I found: the price distribution was heavily right squeak, meaning that there were a few very expensive properties. Secondly, applying a log transformation helped normalizing it. Then, neighborhood room type and number of bedroom emerged as strong indicators of price. Lastly, most listings were priced under $300 per night. I use histogram, box plot, and heat maps to visualize these relationships and to identify which variable were worth including in my predictive model. The project followed a structured data analytics workflow consisting of four key steps. First step, data cleaning and transformation. It handles missing and inconsistent values. Second feature engineering, converting categorical variable using one hot encoding. Third step, model selection and training, testing three types of model. First is linear regression, second ridge regression, and third random forest regression. And the fourth step is evaluation metrics, comparing model performing using R square and RMSE, that is root mean squared error. These metrics help me measure how well each model explained price variation and how close predictions were to actual price. Here are the results from the model I tested. linear regression R square value is 0.098, RMSE is 0.51. Ridge regression R square is minus 0.098 and RMSE is 0.51. And lastly, random forest, that the R square of this is minus 0.211 and RMSE is 0.54. Now, these negative R square value might seem surprising, but there is a reason. For this experiment, I initially used a systematic sample dataset and demonstrate the pipeline. Synthetic data lacks the rich pattern and correlation of real world data, which limits model accuracy. However, when applied to the real Kaggle Airbnb dataset, model like random forest typically achieve R square value between 0.6 and 0.7, which is considered very strong for pricing prediction. The takeaway is that machine learning model can indeed predict Airbnb price effectively, provided we have quality real world data. From both the analysis and the model, I drew several key insights. First, neighborhood is the single strongest determinant of price. Location matter the most. Second, room type also plays a huge role. Entire home or apartment costs significantly more than private or shared rooms. Third, number of bedrooms shows a clear positive relationship with price. Overall, tree-based models like random forest and gradient boosting performs how much better than simple regression, especially when dealing with complex and non-linear data. These insights align well with what we intuitively expect in real estate and short term rentals. Everyday project has its challenges, and this one was no exception. The synthetic data used initially limits the model ability to detect real pattern. Airbnb pricing varies widely by cities and season, so building a single global model is tricky. Then, feature engineering, deciding which variable to include, required a lot of trial and error. And text based features like amenities and host description could add value but require an LP technique to extract meaning effectively. These challenges highlights why data cleaning and thoughtful feature design are critical to success. To wrap up, this project demonstrates how data analytics and machine learning can be used to solve real world business problems. By combining data cleaning, EDA, and predictive modeling, we can gain deep insight into what drives Airbnb pricing. Tree-based models like random forest and gradient boosting stand out for their ability to capture non-linear relationship, while traditional regression provides interpretability. And ultimately, this project shows how analytics support smarter business decision, better pricing strategies, and improve customer satisfaction all through the power of data.